Dear students of class 5A, welcome to my GK class. Today the topic which I am going to teach you, there are two units. In lesson number 1 there are two units I am going to teach you. In first unit some names are there related to the national birds of different countries of the world. Now I am going to teach it. What are the names of different national birds of different countries of the world? Here there are some countries' name mentioned in my chart. You please look at it. Please look at it. Some names are there in my chart. Please look at it. The names I have written. Please look at it. Some names are there. The names of different countries of the world. Number 1, Bangladesh. Number 2, Bhutan. Number 3, China. Number 4, Iran. Number 5, Maldives. Number 6, Malaysia. Number 7, Pakistan. Number 8, Nepal. Number 9, Myanmar. So these are the countries' name I have written in my chart. Please look at it. Look at it, my dear students. Here there are some names written in my chart. The names are number 1, Bangladesh. Number 2, Bhutan. Number 3, China. Number 4, Iran. Number 5, Maldives. Number 6, Malaysia. Number 7, Pakistan. Number 8, Nepal. And number 9, Myanmar. So these are the names. Now we have to find out the names of their national birds. What are the names of their national birds? Now first, Bangladesh. What are the names of the national bird of Bangladesh? The names of the national bird of Bangladesh, here you see, look at your book. Here it is a picture depicted in your book. This is a picture of the national bird of Bangladesh. What is the name of it? The name of this bird, the name of this national bird of Bangladesh is Magpie Robin. Magpie Robin is the name of the national bird of Bangladesh. Magpie Robin. And second one, Bhutan. Here one picture is depicted in your book. This is a bird, national bird of Bhutan. What is the name of this national bird of Bhutan? The name of this national bird of Bhutan is Raven. This is known as Raven. Raven is the national bird of Bhutan. Number 3, China. Number 3, China. What is the national bird of China? What is the name of national bird of China? The name of the national bird of China is red-crowned crane. Red-crowned crane. The name of the national bird of China is red-crowned crane. Clear? And then Iran. What is the name of the national bird of Iran? The national bird of Iran is known as common nightingale. Common nightingale. This is the national bird of Iran. A picture is depicted in your book, the national bird of Iran. National bird of Iran's name is common nightingale. Then number 5, Maldives. What is the name of the national bird of Maldives? The name of the national bird of Maldives is Oriental turtle dove. Oriental turtle dove is the name of the national bird of Maldives. The next one, Malaysia. Malaysia. Here is the picture depicted in your book, the national bird of Malaysia. What is the name of the national bird of Malaysia? The name of the national bird of Malaysia is rhinoceros hornbill. Rhinoceros hornbill is the name of national bird of which country? Of Malaysia. Rhinoceros hornbill. Then next one, country number 7, Pakistan. Country number 7, Pakistan. So this is a bird, national bird of Pakistan. What is the name of it? The name of the national bird of Pakistan is Chukar Partridge. The name of the national bird of Pakistan is Chukar Partridge. Here is a picture depicted in your book. This is Chukar Partridge, the national bird of Pakistan. The next one, the national bird of Nepal. What is the name of the national bird of Nepal? The name of the national bird of Nepal is Himalayan monet. Himalayan monal. Himalayan monal is the national bird of Nepal. And next one, Myanmar. What is the name of the national bird of Myanmar? The name of the national bird of Myanmar is grey peacock pigeon. The name of the national bird of Myanmar is grey peacock pigeon. This bird looks like a grey peacock bird. Looks like a peacock of grey color. That's why it is known as grey peacock pigeon. So grey peacock pigeon is the name of the national bird of Myanmar. So these are the national birds of the following countries of Asia. We discussed about it. We discussed about the national birds of Asia, national bird of Bangladesh, then Bhutan, then China, then Iran, then Maldives, then Malaysia, then Pakistan, then Nepal, and then Myanmar. So these are the names of national birds of different countries of Asia. Now, in the same unit, some also animals' names are mentioned. In the same unit, in unit number 1, some animals' names are mentioned in your book. Now we have to mention the names of these animals, because these are the animals, national bird of some birds also are mentioned. These are the birds of different countries of Europe. Earlier we discussed about the national birds of Asia, national birds of Asian countries. There are some countries' name mentioned in your book and in my chart. All these countries belong to Asia. I discussed about their national birds' names. Now I shall discuss about the national birds of Europe, different countries of Europe. Now first, New Zealand. What is the name of the national bird of New Zealand? The name of the national bird of New Zealand, one picture is depicted in your book, please look at it. Here is the national bird of New Zealand, national bird of New Zealand. What is the name of it? The name of this national bird of New Zealand is kiwi. Name of the national bird of New Zealand is kiwi. And second one, what is the smallest flightless bird in the world? It is not national bird. Here there is something mentioned like this: the smallest flightless bird in the world. Which is the smallest flightless bird in the world? Now we have to mention which is the smallest flightless bird in the world. The smallest flightless bird in the world is Inaccessible Island Rail. Inaccessible Island Rail is the name of this bird mentioned in your book, depicted in your book. Please look at it. Here is the bird's picture. It is known as Inaccessible inaccessible island realm. It is known as the smallest flightless bird in the world. Smallest flightless bird in the world. Then next one, native to the Galapagos Island. Native to the Galapagos Island. What is the native to the Galapagos Island? Native to the Galapagos Island is known as flightless cormorant. Flightless cormorant is the native to the Galapagos Island. And next one picture is depicted. A bird's picture is depicted. An animal's picture is depicted in your book. Please look at it. It is written here, I can dive deeper than any other bird. This bird is declaring that it can dive deeper than any other bird. What is the name of this bird? The name of this bird is emperor penguin. The name of this bird is emperor penguin. The name of this bird is emperor penguin. And next one, the largest flightless parrot. The largest flightless parrot. The largest flightless parrot. Flightless parrot. What is the name of it? The largest flightless parrot. The name of this largest flightless parrot is Kakapa. Kakapa is the name of this largest flightless parrot. Kakapa. And next one, 6. The largest bird in the world. The largest bird in the world. What is the largest bird in the world? The largest bird in the world is ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Here is a picture of ostrich. You see, look at it. Ostrich. Ostrich is known as the largest bird in the world. Ostrich. And next one, 7. The second largest bird and native to Australia. The second largest bird and native to Australia. What is it? The second largest bird and native to Australia is emu. Here one picture also is depicted in your book. You see, look at it. Emu. Emu. Here is the picture of emu. Emu is the second largest bird and native to Australia. Emu. Then serial number 8. A native of New Guinea and most closely related to emu. What is the name of this bird? Closely related to emu. The name of this bird is cassowary. Cassowary. A native of New Guinea and most closely related to emu is known as cassowary. And serial number 9 now. Now serial number 9. Look at it. Serial number 9. What is it? Serial number 9. In serial number 9, we saw a bird's picture. It is depicted a long-legged flightless bird of South America. What is the name of it? A long-legged flightless bird of South America. Here is the picture of this bird. What is the name of this bird? The name of this bird is Greater Rhea. Greater Rhea. It is found in South America. Greater Rhea. And next one. This is an excellent flightless bird that was endemic to the island of Mauritius, east of Madagascar in the Indian Ocean. What is the name of this bird? One picture is depicted. You look at it. The name of this bird is Dodo. The name of this bird is Dodo. Now serial number 11. You see, look at it. Serial number 11. Serial number 11. It is here. One picture also is depicted. You look at it. Here it is written that this flightless bird, indigenous to New Zealand, was thought to be extinct by its South Island. Species are rediscovered. What is the name of this bird? The name of this bird is Takahe. Here is the picture of this bird. This bird is known as Takahe. So these are the birds' name. These birds are famous in different European countries. These birds are famous in different European countries. One by one, I discussed about them. I clarified them, their specialities, their characteristic features. I did not discuss, but it is said that these are the flightless birds, and some of these flightless birds are very, very, all flightless birds are wild, and some can be downright dangerous and aggressive. Some flightless birds, and some people raise them for the meat and eggs. Now, these are the short description, as I mentioned, in two units, in two chapters, in unit number 1A and unit number 1B. In unit number 1A, I discussed about the national birds of Asian countries. I mentioned different Asian countries' names and their national birds. And in unit number 1B, I taught you the names of different birds of European countries. I mentioned about the birds of New Zealand, the specialities, New Guinea, South America. So these are the country and their birds, special features I did not discuss, but the names of these birds I taught you. The names of these birds. Now what you have to keep in your mind, you have to keep in your mind about the names of these birds, the national birds of Asian countries, and the birds which are known as different names. The names of these birds, and they are, you have to keep in your mind their shape, the shape of this bird, whether the birds are small in shape, whether the birds are large in shape, smaller or larger. That 2 points you have to differentiate. If you are able to differentiate between these two shapes of birds, then you will be able to answer prominently, and you will be able to learn it quickly as possible. Up to this, my dear students, thank you.